Hey everybody, shop update time here at Woodsmith. It's a special Thursday edition. It's story time. So if any of you have remembered the story James and the Giant Peach, we're gonna flip that around and we're gonna talk about Steve and the orange cart.
Hey everybody. If you tuned in last time, I was working on the orange garage cart, got it all done. It's pretty heavy, a lot of Baltic birch, 3 layers of MDF top, ball bearing slides for the drawers, heavy duty metal machinist vise, which is removable, these big 8-inch locking casters, corner protectors that attract a lot of dust, and a removable back with a 2 magnetic bars, a pencil holder, and a removable light. So that'd make a nice addition if you got room for it.
Yep, cool.
Now my next project, I've got 2 to show you. This is a John Doyle design. This is mahogany. This is a little fold down desk that we're going to hang on the wall. I assume we're going to just go through the plywood and the wall. So got a couple magnetic catches, adjustable hinges is kind of nice. Little work surface here, several coats of lacquer. My next project I just started on today is a storage bin. It's 5 levels. Each level that comes up, you get an extra compartment. So 2, 3, 4, and so on. Good side view. I believe we're gonna paint it a teal color, which is a kind of blue. So I'm starting with the plinth or the base, which is right there. And now I'm working on the bottom or the bin 1, level 1. So just getting started on that today.
All right, thanks.
Thanks.
Hey everyone, so last week got started on Dylan Design project, which is the 3 shop projects, and these 3 shop projects are going to be all out of plywood, but not any plywood, not Baltic birch that we normally use. This is going to be just big box store bought plywood that's easy accessible to everybody, a little bit cheaper grade than what we normally use. So the first one is a cabinet, and then we've got a workbench, and then we've got a wall-mounted workstation. So let me show you through here what I've got going on so far. So here's the cabinet. It's just, like I said, plywood, just glued, screwed, pin nailed, pocket screwed. No fancy joinery on these. What we're doing on this, we're just going to paint the interior of these projects and leave everything else on the outside raw. I think we might lacquer it, I'm not sure yet. We're going to maybe put some finish on it, but it's going to be clear coated, whatever it is. Here's the workbench. We have no fancy joinery on this, just pin nailed, glued and screwed. Like the cabinet there, we just painted the inside. So there's that one. The next step is I've got to build the doors for that, which on the face of the doors, it's going to have a groove routed out on a diagonal, like you see here. So it's going to have a shallow groove going diagonal, and that groove is going to be painted blue also. Got those to do, working on the wall-mounted workstation. As I said earlier, that's just going to be mounted with some diagonal brackets to cleats on the wall. I think we decided to paint this part blue and the false front on the drawer blue. So it should be wrapped up by early next week for this one. I think that's all I've got going on. I'm not sure what my next project is. I need to get with the designers and see what they've got going on, but that's what I'm currently working on. So check in next week and these will be wrapped up.
All right, there you are. That's the shop update for today. You're probably getting sick of me talking to you about woodworking in America. It's only 2 weeks away. So 2 weeks from today, you'll be able to do your own shop update. Walk around, talk to Mark and Steve. It's from 3 to 5 right here at the mothership at Woodsmith. You can check out the video studio, the photo studio. We'll have a bunch of staff folk around here, some refreshments. If you have a certain sort of ID, that will be available for you as well. If you're not signed up for Woodworking in America, I really want you to be here. So what you can do is if you go to woodsmith.com to sign up for that, and when you click to sign up, use the discount code GUILD50, GUILD50, for a certain large percentage off of the stated price of the conference. Probably can guess how much that is with the discount there. GUILD50. I want to see you here in 2 weeks. So if you have any questions, comments, or smart remarks, put those in the comments section below. For the YouTube folk, put the thumbs up, like, subscribe, ring the bells, all the things. So we'll see you next week, everybody. Bye.